How to install the HP Integrated Remote System Controller in the HP Z4 G5 or HP Z6 G5. In this video, we'll show you how to install the HP Integrated Remote System Controller into an HP Z4 G5 or HP Z6 G5 workstation. You'll need the HP Integrated Remote System Controller itself, an extra label containing information about the remote system controller, the internal power and signal cable, an internal USB 3 cable, and a DisplayPort to mini DisplayPort cable. Start by removing the side panel of the workstation. Connect the ends of the internal USB 3 cable and internal power and signal cable labeled RSC to their corresponding ports on the rear of the integrated remote system controller. Release the PCI hold down on the rear of the workstation by taking hold of the blue touch points while applying force downward. Remove the bracket of the PCI slot that the integrated remote system controller will be installed in. Install the integrated remote system controller into the PCI Express slot, ensuring it's fully seated. Relatch the PCI hold down. Connect the other ends of the internal USB 3 cable and internal power and signal cable to their corresponding ports on the main board. The internal power and signal cable will be connected here, while the internal USB 3 cable will be connected here. Once both cables are connected, reinstall the side panel. Connect the integrated remote system controller to the primary output of the workstation's graphics card using the DisplayPort to mini DisplayPort cable. Connect an Ethernet cable to the RJ45 port to give the integrated remote system controller network access. Adhere the extra label somewhere on the chassis where it will be readable.